NASA has confirmed that Voyager 1 is the most distant human-made object ever sent into space. When it first launched, there was excitement and hope. It had liftoff, it had a mission, but the journey didn't end there. Packed aboard the spacecraft were golden discs, messages from Earth meant for anyone or anything that might one day find them. Now, decades later, Voyager 1 has encountered something out in deep space that simply doesn't belong. It's far beyond the sun's influence now, deep into the interstellar void, and yet it has detected signals that no one has ever seen before. This isn't a planet, nor a star. It's not one of the many familiar things that populate the cosmos. Whatever this is, it seems to be whispering through the darkness. Scientists are scrambling to make sense of the signals, racing to decode them before Voyager's aging systems fall silent for good. Because what's been found could completely shift our understanding of the universe. The strange signal came from the edge of space, the point where our solar system ends and the true void begins. And what Voyager detected wasn't a rock, a planet, or any known astronomical phenomenon. It wasn't a pulsar, it wasn't a supernova. It was something new, giving off faint signals that behaved unlike anything in recorded space science. What makes this even more bizarre is that the signal didn't appear to be random or natural. It was methodical, as if it had been waiting. In space, electromagnetic signals are everywhere. Stars, quasars, even the remains of supernovae constantly send out waves. But this particular signal stood out. It didn't match any known frequencies. It didn't behave like radiation from known celestial sources. It had no consistent pattern, no simple explanation. Instead, it reacted as if aware of its surroundings. Even stranger was its frequency. It sat well outside the range of any known natural emissions. It wasn't radio waves like we're used to. This hinted at the possibility of something new, something we've never encountered. Some scientists are wondering, could this be a form of exotic matter, the kind of theoretical material that's long been hypothesized but never observed? If so, Voyager 1 may have just recorded it in action. Then there's a more unsettling theory. What if this isn't natural at all? What if it's technological, a machine, a relic, something built rather than born? The idea that this could be a piece of alien technology floating out there, broadcasting faint signals, sounds like science fiction. But the signals are undeniably strange, and no natural explanation quite fits. Could it be that something, or someone, put this out there, knowing that one day something like Voyager would pass by? There's a major problem, though. Voyager 1 is now more than 14 billion miles away from Earth. Every message it sends takes more than 20 hours to reach us. And if we want to send something back, we have to wait nearly 2 full days to get a response. It's operating on outdated systems, technology from the 1970s. Its computer has less memory than a modern phone photo, and yet it's still functioning, still sending data. That alone is remarkable. But time is not on our side. Voyager's instruments are failing, slowly but surely. Scientists are pushing the limits of what's left, analyzing every bit of data, running models, and trying to understand what Voyager found before it's too late. This discovery could be the beginning of something much bigger. It may be the first clue that deep space is not as empty as we once believed. There's even the possibility that this object isn't from our galaxy at all. If it came from beyond the Milky Way, then Voyager has just had one of the first direct encounters with something intergalactic. The space between galaxies is one of the most mysterious regions of the universe. Almost nothing is known about it. If this object drifted in from those vast, dark reaches, it could be carrying answers to questions scientists haven't even thought to ask yet. Voyager 1, alone in the darkness, continues to send back signals. It has entered a place human technology has never touched before, true interstellar space, and what it's found there breaks the rules. Instead of regular, predictable emissions, this object pulses irregularly, as if it's doing so deliberately. No one can explain what powers it. It has no visible engine, no heat, no light, and yet it sends out energy. Some wonder if it could be an echo from a lost civilization, an ancient probe sent millennia ago, finally found. Others think it might be a new class of object entirely, something natural but never before identified. Voyager is hanging on by a thread. Its instruments are powered by old nuclear batteries that lose strength every year. The engineers are carefully shutting down systems to keep it alive as long as possible, but eventually it will fall silent. And when it does, the last voice from the edge of the solar system will be lost forever. For now, scientists are combing through the data. They're comparing it to everything we've seen before, but this signal doesn't follow the rules. Its electromagnetic waves defy existing models. Some are considering whether this could be a new type of matter or the result of a cosmic event. No one understands, like a fragment from two colliding stars, or an energy ripple left behind by the birth of a black hole. If it's something the universe itself created, then it forces a rewrite of what we know. Our models of dark matter, dark energy, and even the fundamental nature of space-time might need to change. If this object is made of unknown particles, or if it interacts with forces like gravity in unfamiliar ways, it could reshape multiple fields, from particle physics to energy science. It might even offer new forms of energy that could change how we power the world. But this isn't just science, it's a philosophical shift too. Whenever space throws something strange at us, the big questions come rushing in. Are we alone? If this object is artificial, then something else built it. If that's true, humanity isn't the only species capable of space travel or complex engineering. That would mean someone else left this thing out there waiting, or maybe abandoned. Even without solid proof of alien origin, the possibility forces people to re-evaluate what's out there. Voyager is a reminder of how little we actually understand. If one strange object exists in deep space, why not more? And if we ever want to send people into the stars, we'll have to face the unknown head-on. Right now, it's a challenge just to keep a single robotic probe alive beyond our solar system. What happens when humans go? There's also a wilder idea. What if this thing isn't a planet, a star, or even a machine? What if it's something else entirely, something that doesn't fit into our current understanding of life or matter? Scientists have speculated about forms of life so alien we wouldn't even recognize them. Maybe this is one of them. A kind of existence that thrives in the cold, radiation-filled void where humans could never survive. If that's true, it opens the door to whole new categories of being. And then there's Voyager 1 itself. This spacecraft, launched in the 1970s, has outlived expectations by decades. But its time is running out. When it finally goes quiet, one of the only human eyes in interstellar space will be gone. This discovery is a wake-up call. It's time to build better probes. Imagine a modern Voyager, equipped with AI and faster propulsion, exploring deeper and smarter than ever before. That's the future space science needs. One day we might even bring samples back from the farthest reaches of space. We've done it for the Moon, Mars, even asteroids. Why not interstellar space? If we could retrieve a piece of whatever Voyager found, it could revolutionize science. And to do that, the world needs to work together. No one nation can solve these mysteries alone. This object proves that space exploration must be global.